How's everyone doing today? Well, today we're out in here in the garden. We are working on doing asparagus beds. I've got my friend Keenan here helping me. He comes to help me every Thursday for 2 hours on a co-op. So today we're going to teach him how to do asparagus. Yesterday I picked up 50 crowns. Initially I was going to just transplant mine from my other garden, but I don't have time for that, and these were close by. They were dry, so you're supposed to soak them for about 1 hour to 2 hours before you plant them. So that's what we've got going on here. So what we've got Keenan doing here is we've dug a trench about half foot to a foot deep, because his crowns like to be very deep there. And he's going to keep going, Keenan. You can go right to the edge of the grass there. So right back to the same spot. Yeah, so keep going right to the back there. So once we get this dug, we're going to toss some compost in here that I've got here. What you want to do is layer it with a nice layer of rotted compost. In our case, it's cow manure, some hay, rabbit, and chicken manure. It's been there since last year. And there's some wood shavings mixed in that we use for bedding that we'll put down. And then we'll lay it in. So while he's finishing digging that trench there, I'll lay compost down here with a bucket here so that we can get the asparagus laid in. All right, so we're just gonna go down here with our compost, give it a good little bit of shake in. So this is an important step for asparagus, since your crowns will be good for 25 to 30 years, maybe even longer. You wanna make sure that they have a good layer of nutrients to give them a good head start. All right, there we go. Keep going on down the line. All right, once we get the compost all laid in, we'll show you laying out the 50 crowns. So these ones already have a little bit of asparagus growing on them here. You can see the whites growing up. That's asparagus. So what we want to do is take the crowns and just lay them flat out like a spider. Just like that. We'll just go all the way down about a foot apart. And these things will be growing for years to come. Okay, you can go a little farther down there, Keenan. Just go maybe, yeah, right to where your feet are there. Okay. Yeah, right down to there would be great, please, and thank you. Okay, so that's the spacing here. Some are a little closer than others, but that's okay. I tend to go closer on most of my plantings just because I do. So we'll probably have to try to dig 2 more beds because I got 50 crowns. That was a bunch of 20. I'll probably just do about 20 exactly. So I have to do probably 2 more beds here since I got 50. So once Keenan gets that one done, we'll get these 2 done up first. We'll start the next bed. Okay, now that we've got our crowns laid in, top of the compost, we're just going to take our rake here and just backfill it. So the directions that I've read is just to bury them a little bit, and then as soon as the crowns come up, you can bury a bit more. So we'll try that method and see how it works. And I can always layer more compost between layers as well. Just go all the way down here. And it's been raining all day today, so hopefully I won't have to water them in. The rain can do that for myself. Save one less step. Okay. Oh, thank you. All right, there we go. My asparagus crowns are planted. And now we just wait for them to pop up. And first year, you're not really supposed to harvest any. The guy I bought them from, I think they're already 2 or 3 years old, these crowns, so I could probably harvest 50% this year, maybe 25%, next year 50% the third year, full harvest. But I'll keep you updated as they come up and show you the progress of our asparagus patch here. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you learned how to plant your asparagus. Hope you guys have a great crop out there. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share us around, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.